Now, when it comes to getting a tablet, Apple users will usually pick the iPad, and the iPad Air is probably the top choice for many. But when it comes to Android tablet, this is probably the one that you should go for, and this is the HONOR MagicPad 2. Now let's talk about them. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So let's talk about the most important thing about these tablets, okay? Now the HONOR MagicPad 2 starts from $2,799 and the iPad Air 6 starts from $3,999. Specs wise, the HONOR is 12GB with 256GB of storage, and it's the Wi-Fi version, which is the same as the iPad, and the iPad also has 128GB of storage. But what does the $2,799 gives you when you get the HONOR MagicPad 2? Well, you will get a full set of stylus and keyboard, and it's called the HONOR Magic Pencil 3 and the Smart Bluetooth keyboard. Now, when it comes to thinness, okay, of both the tablets, the iPad Air and also the HONOR MagicPad 2 is actually very similar in size, okay? So the iPad Air 6 is actually 6.1mm thin and the HONOR MagicPad 2 is 5.8mm. When it comes to weight, it is 555 grams for the HONOR and 617 grams for the iPad. And since we're talking about design, we want to look at the screen as well, okay? And if you put them side by side together, we get to see one thing very obvious. The bezels on the HONOR MagicPad 2 is a lot thinner than the iPad Air. Screen size wise, the iPad Air actually comes in two sizes, 11-inch and also 13-inch. This one only comes in one size, okay? But the size is just right in between the 11 and the 13, which is 12.3. So it's almost like when you get this HONOR MagicPad 2, you are getting two sizes in one. Speaking of the display on the HONOR MagicPad 2, it's actually an OLED screen which offers higher color contrast compared to the iPad Air's LCD screen. So what you're seeing now, I am playing games and also watching movies, and they look very good on the HONOR MagicPad 2. Screen refresh rate wise, the HONOR actually has up to 120Hz while the iPad Air is still at 60Hz. Additionally, the HONOR MagicPad 2 is also equipped with a range of eye comfort features, ensuring vibrant colors while also protecting eye health. Now, one thing I want to mention to you, okay, the HONOR MagicPad 2 is actually made of one very special material, and it's called the aerospace grade feather fiber, and that also means it's a little bit hard if you want to sit on it and want to bend it, because it doesn't bend. Now, when it comes to battery and charging, the HONOR MagicPad 2 actually has a 10,050 mAh battery, which is very big, okay? And when it comes to charging, 66 watt wired charging. Now, when it comes to the iPad, how do you unlock it, okay? Well, you just need to press the Touch ID button at the top here. But on the HONOR MagicPad 2, you don't have to touch any button, you just use your face, because there's this face unlock feature that you can look at the screen and then it will unlock straight away. I would say that the HONOR MagicPad 2 is actually very good for entertainment because the screen looks very good, right? And based on my experience, watching movie also very fun because it has 8 speakers and it's also IMAX certified. So you get your full IMAX experience when you're holding it in front of your eyes, and it's like watching movie in the IMAX theater. So when it comes to multi-devices connection, okay, HONOR actually have something up their sleeves. So if you have the, say, V3 phone, right, and then you also have the MagicBook with you, and you also have the MagicPad with you, you can actually connect all of them together using this technology called Magic Ring. And you can actually, let me show you, you can actually pull it down from up here, and your Magic Ring device center is actually accessible with one tap, and it's just here. So like what you can see here, I'm connecting the MagicPad to the MagicBook, and I can mirror my screen, I can also transfer files, and I can do a lot more things. Now when it comes to AI features, okay, the biggest one I want to tell you is Magic Portal. Just like the one on a Magic V3, we can actually circle things on the screen and send the data to other apps. Okay, so for example, what I'm doing now is I like this watch. I circle this watch and then I can drag it to Google image search to know more about it, or even if I want to buy it also can. Another option is, for example, if I like this picture, I want to post this picture on Instagram, I just need to drag this photo into Magic Portal, pick Instagram, and it will be posted instantly. If you think only the Honor phones got Magic Capsule, no, because the MagicPad 2 also got. So how does it work? Simple, okay? So for example, now I'm playing music and then I want to minimize the music app. It will go all the way up and it will form this capsule at the top left of the screen. So from here, I can actually tap and then it will open up a little bit so I can actually control the music playback. Other than that, it works with some other apps as well. For example, setting timer on the clock app. So now I set timer, I minimize it, it will go up to the Magic Capsule as well. As you can see, once I tap, it will actually open both the timer and also the music that's also currently playing. Wow. Wow. Okay, so I'm actually very mesmerized with this feature on the Magic V3 and now on the MagicPad 2, okay? This is photo comparison. So for example, you took a lot of selfies of yourself and you don't know which selfie is nicer. What do? You take all your selfies, you put them together into a screen like this, and then you can actually move them around and see which photo is the best for you to use. Very, very useful. Another feature, okay, that they brought from the phone and put it in the tablet is AI eraser. So as you can see here, right, what we can do is we circle the objects in photos that we don't want, or we want to remove, or we want to replace. We just circle that thing and then it will regenerate, and then as you can see here, it will remove the pen from my photo. Other than those features, the Notes app is also quite smart, okay? So this feature is called AI formula recognition, whereby as you can see, I'm writing the formula in this box and then it will automatically turn it into digital writing. Apart from that, you also get AI handwriting beautification. You get notes sync and also voice to text. So we've reached the end of the video. Now that you know what's good with the iPad Air and also what's good with the MagicPad 2, Apple users can get this, Android users can get this. Very happy. I'm also very happy for you guys. And if you ask me, is the MagicPad 2 worth it? I would say yes, because for $2,799 you get top specs and also accessories like the smart Bluetooth keyboard and also the Magic Pencil 3. What do you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, okay? And if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the button below this video. Click on the link in the description for more information about the MagicPad 2 by Honor. And share this video with your friends. Follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!